Handling project change requests in CoConstruct can be tricky, but in this video, I'm going to break down the process for you so you can manage them efficiently and keep your projects on track. Whether you're dealing with scope changes, budget shifts, or timelines, I'll show you exactly how to handle project change requests in CoConstruct like a pro. Stick around till the end, because I'm going to share a special bonus that will help you get started with CoConstruct completely free, so you don't want to miss that. To get started, the first thing you need to know is that CoConstruct makes it really easy to track changes and keep everything organized. As soon as a change request comes in, you'll want to log it. Don't wait for it to pile up with other tasks. Entering it into CoConstruct immediately will make sure everyone's on the same page. You can track who made the request, why it's needed, and the potential impact on the overall project. This is crucial for clarity and ensures you're not missing anything. Next thing to do is review the change request thoroughly. You might think it's a quick decision, but it's important to consider how it'll affect the project as a whole. What's the impact on your budget? Will it push your timeline back? If you've got a team working under tight deadlines, even small changes can disrupt the flow. CoConstruct lets you update project details, so you can calculate how the change will affect the final numbers and adjust your plans accordingly. This keeps things running smoothly without any surprises. The third thing to remember is communication. When you're handling change requests, you need to make sure everyone involved is in the loop. CoConstruct allows you to send notifications and updates directly to your team, so they know exactly what's changing and how it impacts their work. This is key in keeping your projects on time and within budget. No one likes to be blindsided by a change they weren't prepared for. Now, let's talk about approvals. Once you've reviewed the request and communicated with your team, you'll want to get formal approval before moving forward. CoConstruct has built-in tools for this. You can create custom workflows for change requests, so once everything is reviewed, you can get the necessary approvals before making any changes live. Having an official process ensures that you're only making changes that everyone agrees on, avoiding any future disputes. The fifth thing to do is update your project documents. After the request has been approved and implemented, make sure all your documents are updated to reflect the new changes. CoConstruct allows you to easily adjust things like contracts, schedules, and financial documents, so everything stays aligned with the new direction. This keeps your project paperwork clean and up to date, reducing confusion for everyone involved. Finally, the last thing to keep in mind when handling project change requests is to monitor the progress. After a change is made, don't just assume everything is fine. CoConstruct has powerful tracking tools that help you monitor the impact of changes and ensure everything stays on track. This helps you stay proactive, rather than reactive, to any potential issues that arise after a change is implemented. To recap, logging change requests immediately, reviewing them carefully, communicating with your team, getting approvals, updating your documents, and monitoring progress are all key steps in handling project change requests in CoConstruct. It's not just about keeping your projects organized, it's about ensuring that everyone is on the same page and that changes don't throw everything off balance. If you want to start using CoConstruct for free, make sure to click the first link in the description below. You'll get access to an exclusive and extended free trial that'll give you the full experience of the software to see if it's right for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you understand how to handle project change requests in CoConstruct.